Hello everyone, welcome yet again to another video lecture, one short video. My name is Ashwin Joglikar and I am from Resonance PCCP division. Today I am here with the chapter name India, Size and Location. That is the first chapter of your geography portion from class 9th. Alright, so let us quickly begin with the chapter and discuss it about the things. Okay, India, size and location. Now first we will be talking or looking at the size and as well as location aspect of India. Now just to make you familiar with the thing, that is you might have read this about longitude and latitudes. Now these are some of the imaginary lines which are drawn on the earth for us to better understand the places. Okay. Now this region, as you can see, these are the tropics. Now probably I will take a red pen for this. Okay. Now this is Tropic of Cancer and this in the southern hemisphere is Tropic of Capricorn. Alright. Now this part is showing actually South America and Africa and India is there. Okay. This is the North Pole here and this is the South Pole. Apart from this, this you can call it the prime meridian. Okay. And these this is in the equator. Alright. Now these are some of the identification on a globe about longitudes and latitudes. Now India, that is located here. Alright. That is, India is lying entirely in the northern hemisphere as shown in the figure below. Now in this map probably you can see we can find India here. Alright. Now probably I can use. Alright. Now as you can see, this is the line of equator, the 0 degree which is going. Alright. And this at 23.5 degree north is the Tropic of Cancer, which again passes through India. Okay. And Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost 2 equal parts. So this, that is above the equator, this is northern hemisphere, and again from a prime meridian if we will divide here, here it is in the eastern hemisphere. Okay. So that is the position of India or India's location on the world map. The land extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north and longitudes 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. As you can see here, these are the regions, that is, this is 8 degree 4 minutes north and the bottommost point is again below that, which was again submerged during the tsunami. This is 37 degree 6 minutes north, that is here. Okay, it is this one, then is your 8 degree 4 minutes and this one is your 68 degree 7 minutes and then this one is your 97 degree 25 minutes east. Again Tropic of Cancer you can see and passing through 8 states of India. The Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minutes north divides India almost into 2 equal parts and this is the standard meridian. Now again the land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometers and the length of the coastline, including the coastline of Lakshadweep, the 2 group of islands Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, is 7,516.6 kilometers. So this chapter is more about data, okay, and probably for note making you can just take a map of India and write all the features which are given here or all the pointers which are given, and you can just prepare notes for this chapter in just one map, on one map work. Now the next part is about what are the other parts, that is again as we discussed, Bay of Bengal and Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the southeastern direction and here you can see Arabian Sea and the Lakshadweep Islands. And from 22 degree north latitude India becomes to taper and towards the south. Alright. And this is also referred to as the extension of the Asian continent. Now size, when we talk about India's total area, accounts for 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Thus, it is the 7th largest country in the world by its size. The other countries are RC, UC and BA. Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. And then comes is India. So, India is on the 7th position and these are the other countries. Now, India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers. The total length of the coastline is 7,516.6 kilometers, including Andaman and Lakshadweep. Bounded by the mountains in northwest, north and northeast, and south of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing into two seas, Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal on the east. Time along the standard meridian of India, which is taken again 82 degree 30 minutes, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for India. The time difference between each degree is 4 minutes, and if we go eastward, the local time is advanced by 4 minutes with each additional degree and vice versa. That is, if we are moving towards the east side, if this is the prime meridian and if we are moving towards the east direction, we add on 4 minutes, and when we are moving towards the west direction, we deduct 4 minutes. Gujarat lies between 68 degree east and 74 degree east longitude, whereas Arunachal is located between 91 degree 20 minutes east and 97 degree 30 minutes east longitude. So, it is almost a difference of between the two sides 30 degree or 29 degrees, which is approximately, both states have 29 degree longitude difference in terms of location. So, almost a 2 hours difference between them roughly. There is a 4-minute difference between two consecutive longitudes, and if we count the number of longitudes passing through the India and Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh and multiply it by 4 minutes, we will find that difference is approximately 120 minutes or 2 hours. But therefore, to avoid the confusion, we have taken a standard meridian for India. As Arunachal Pradesh lies on eastern side, it will have an advanced local time approximately 2 hours. Therefore, Arunachal Pradesh is 2 hours ahead of Gujarat in terms of local time. Now, total latitudes are that is 90 plus 90 plus 1, including the 0 degree, that is equator, 181, and total longitudes are your 360. That is, the westernmost longitude is 180 degree west and the easternmost longitude is 180 degree east. Incidentally, 180 degree west and east are the same. So, therefore, we take 180 plus 180 to 360. Now, extreme points that are when we see the map of India. Now, this is your easternmost point, this is the northernmost point, westernmost point and the southernmost point. Now, eastern side it is Kibuthu, alright. Then western side it is Sar Creek in Kutch or Guhar Moti, which we refer. The northern side it is Indra Col, that is in Siachen Glacier, and southern side it is the Indra Point, which was submerged in 2004 tsunami. When we are talking about mainland India, okay, one is Indian Union and one is mainland India. When we are talking about mainland India, we take Kanyakumari as the southernmost point. Alright. India in the world. Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the ancient Asian continent, and trans-Indian ocean routes have always linked the countries of Europe, and we see it from the ancient times how India or spice trade was there, that is from Arabs and later on Europeans came to trade in spice with India. Countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. No other country has such a long coastline on the Indian Ocean, therefore a complete ocean is named after a country, India. As India's contacts with the world have continued through ages. The spices, muslin and many other merchandise were taken from India to different countries of the different parts of the world. On the other hand, the influence of Greeks sculpture has also the architectural styles of domes and minarets from West Asia can also be seen in different parts of India's buildings. So, that is an amalgamation which has happened of different cultures. India and its neighbor, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. The southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, that is Sri Lanka and Maldives. And India has a strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. So that is one short video on the chapter India, size and location. Please go through the map work in this chapter, which is important. That is, again, I can let you know the longitudes and the latitudes of for India, as well as the extreme points for India which are there, and the size of the country according to the area, that is 3.28 million square kilometers, and apart from that the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. So these are some of the pointers you should note down and probably on the map and have them ready. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much for watching the video.